In this section of the course, we'll be working with the book module to convert our photos into photo books, PDF galleries, or JPEG galleries. Before we get started, if you have any thumbnails here selected, just go and click off by clicking on any one item in the gallery. Now navigate to the book module by clicking Book up here. Before we get started with the book module, it's important to have a clear set of goals on our desired end result. First, we need to decide whether we want to make a book out of one of our collections or a general book with all our photos. So to begin, we'll be using all of our photos. The next thing we need to do is decide on one of the following three options. Do we want our book printed as a hard copy? If so, this is done through a third-party company called Blurb. Blurb allows us to upload our photos through Lightroom and have a book printed and mailed out to us. We'll show you how to do this later in this course. The next option is to convert our book into a standard PDF document which showcases our photos. And the last option is to export the images as JPEGs into a specified folder. So these are the three different options that are available to us. In the first part of this course, we'll begin by outputting our book as a standard PDF document. You'll need all the panels available to you on the right side here. So to make sure they are all visible, right-click any panel heading and place a check mark next to each one of these items. Another thing we need to do here is just press the Clear Book button. And so that way we're starting with a fresh new book. Now we can create a collection set that will store our books, because we're going to be creating multiple books. So let's go ahead and click the plus sign next to collections, and we'll call this collection set My Photo Books. Now click Create. So inside this collection set, we'll create our first saved book. Click on this button here, and you're going to call this Book 1 PDF. Make sure you save it inside the My Photo Books collection set and click Create. So you can see we now have our first book inside our My Photo Books collection set.